Meteorologist Gretchen Mishik here with an updated look at your severe weather outlook on this Saturday. Light snow as we look at the view from Rochester, New York. Earlier this morning, the flakes were flying to start the day today. We actually have a winter storm watch that's going to be going into effect in Rochester and are throughout portions of New York and across portions of New England as a storm system makes its way across the Northeast throughout the next few days. Total snowfall accumulations in Rochester could add up to 7 inches by the time we get into the early part of this upcoming week. We're also tracking an abundance of moisture across the Pacific Northwest. The air that's in place throughout the Northwest and much of the western tier of the nation is actually quite mild, so much of that precipitation is coming in the form of rain. It's much needed rain because many of these areas have been dealing with drought, but when it comes so quickly, that's when it leads to flooding concerns, and that's exactly what we're going to be seeing here throughout the next few days. So as we set our forecast in motion, noticing this moisture continuing to track eastward, as well as the snow that's going to be impacting New York, portions of New England and up through Maine throughout the second half of the weekend and into early next week. So several inches of snow expected yet again across portions of the Northeast. Specifically, we do have flood warnings in effect for these dark green shaded areas. Because of this warmer air in place, we're also expecting quite a bit of melting snow, and total rainfall accumulations could add up to several inches. Some locations closer to the coast could see up to 6 inches of rain. Blue shaded areas indicate where we do have winter storm watches that will be going into effect throughout the day tomorrow and will continue to remain in effect through the end of the weekend. Check back to WeatherBug for your latest weather updates.